Muhammad from Mozambique. Muhammad.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, I would like to ask if is it permissible to enter into a beer factory? So I'm starting my thesis for degree of licentiate in mechanical engineer, and my university chooses an instructor, a tutor based on the thesis topic. They choose one of our teachers, but he's a non-Muslim, and he works in a beer factory, and he's a very busy person. So one cannot interact with him unless it be in his working place. So I would like to ask if that is permissible. Barakallahu feek.
Ufikum barakallah. This is problematic. Now, the Prophet ﷺ cursed 10 in relation to intoxicants in wine. So he cursed those who buy it, who sell it, who carry it, who plant the vegetables of it, who make it into juice, who drink it, the whole 9 yards. And a factory of beer, and of course I'm assuming it's an alcoholic-based beer, which is intoxicant, not the halal beer. The vast majority, if he's a non-Muslim and it's a kafir country, definitely it's alcoholic. So it is prohibited to be in this area or in its place or within the vicinity of it. Regardless if he's busy or not, you can put a request to the admins, to the department, that I cannot meet in that area because it is against my religious beliefs, and you will inshallah find a way out of it.